Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what happened here on the forex market, analyzing the signals generated by VIP indicators. You can find the link below in the description. It's just $10 per month for an indicator that is doing an amazing job. So the first pair is the Euro USD. We have a buy signal, price going up from 150.80 to 160.10. in the morning in Europe, and then a little bit of retracement, and the price continued to go up. The end of the retracement was signaled by the indicator here, so we got another buy signal, retracement retest around 160.0. So psychological level, and then going up to 1657. We had a very interesting day here on the Euro USD for morning traders who capitalize on this one, on this buy. We had 30 pips in the morning and 50 pips in the afternoon, so around 80 pips. Let's check the euro and the British pound. We don't have very clear price action, even though we have an higher low, but the size of the candles here tells me so many things about the market that I would prefer to stay out, but it's a total personal call. By the way, we got a buy signal here 9 a.m. London time, 86.58, approaching the 86.70 level, major resistance level. USD Japan yen, things are going a little bit slower. In the morning we got a sell signal very early around 6 a.m. and the price action is telling us that on the 5-minute time frame we are on a downtrend. Okay, because you can see the candles are just below the 25 EMA, so it's going down, even if it's not a very strong downtrend, as you can see. And then we got this huge sell-off this afternoon to 159.50. Everything started at 159.65, so around 50 pips forward. When you are in a downtrend or in an uptrend, just don't pay attention. Ignore the buy signal if price is downtrending, and vice versa. Euro, Australian dollar, we had a little bit of choppy market here. Yes, we got a buy, and the price started to move upward from 162.90 to 163.20. We got many sell signals around 163.25, important level. Okay, so when you see the price testing the price zone so many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we got a 5 sell signal. Expect something to happen. Okay. In fact, the price dropped from 63.25 to 62.64. So the indicator was doing an amazing job here. around 60 pips more or less in this short position. So if you are good at reading price action, and you will be fine using the VIP indicators, you will save a lot of time, a lot of headaches if you don't like to spend all the time in front of the charts. USD and Swiss French, we got a sell signal here in the early morning. Price forming the hand pattern here, the double top. We got a second sell signal, 78.96, very close to 79.00, and price started to go down to 78.37, so other 60-70 pips, to profit. AUD USD, yeah, we didn't have the buy signal. I don't know why. The price started to go up. We got forming, was retracing and retesting this price level around 71.15, or forming these two lows here and two buy signals. 71.10. And then the upward movement started going up to 71.66, so around 50 pips. So again, when you are in a bullish impulse, just ignore the sell signals. If the trend is strong, and the bands here are getting wider, it means that volatility and even volumes, are very big, so there is no reason to open a sell position, because contrarian operationship, it's always a very, very dangerous practice. If you want to go for it, go, but I wouldn't short here, honestly. I would not. Euro and Japanese yen, nice price action. We got this low here, 6 a.m. First bullish impulse here from 84.90 to 85.15. Then retracement around 85.05. Buy signal, and then the upward movement reaching the 85.65, so other 50 pips in the bank. The candles were piercing the upper band, so there was no reason again to open a sell position unless you are on a very strong resistance. Just follow the trend. You are not a big whale, so just follow the price movement. I'm looking at what happened during the Asian session. We got this sell signal and many buys here, but sellers won, so another good one. So that's big sell off, price dropping down from 85.50, 84.90. So on the higher time frame, you will see that price is ranging, with the ongoing situation, the global situation with the war. Markets are waiting for a resolution. USD and the Canadian dollar, we got an amazing price action here with a double top and partner forming. We got two sell signals at 38.70, and then the downward movement started 1 p.m. London time from 38.70 to 37.94. So 80 pips. That was a strong call by VIP indicators. Happy New Year, you're gonna have fun using it. Let's check the last pair. We are on the British pound and US dollar. Don't forget that you can use it on also on the other markets, not only on forex. So we got the first buy signal here around 32.70, retracement, end of retracement here around 30.80, and upward movement continuing. The buyers are pushing price higher from 33.90 to 34.41, so 50 pips more or less. As you can see, we got a very important resistance zone. In fact, we got this sell. As you can see, this spike. If you use the POC indicator, you'll find many volumes around this area. So it will be a fight between buyers and sellers here. We will see how it will develop. So I want to show you that you can trade also the Brent, WTA if you want, gold spot, and US dollar. Pretty good. We got a buy signal with a price dancing on this upward zone. We got many buy signals here, compression, and then price exploded upward from 4,383.50, went up to 4,499.96.5. So a big trade here. You can trade everything, whatever you want. You can use this indicator on the market you prefer, on the time frame you want. Just analyze 5-minute time frame, because I'm a day trader. So if you are interested in other time frames analysis, you can leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, share your opinions about indicators, and if you want to use VIP indicators, you can find the link below in the description. See you soon. Bye bye.